I have a good one. What was the original purpose of the chainsaw? What was it invented for?
Pizza?
No.
I like you can cut pizza with the saw.
You could. That's a good. That's not a bad idea.
Hmm. Is it for sewing chains?
No. Good guess.
Trees.
No, that's what they use for now. But I'll give you a hint. The
Execution.
No, that's also a good guess. They were originally smaller than they are now when we think of chainsaws.
Baby chainsaw.
Baby chainsaw. Oh, you're on the right track there.
Baby?
Wait, for babies?
Yeah.
Baby amputations.
No!
What?
You somehow made it worse. What?
But you said baby.
It's for childbirth.
baby.
I'll die.
It's for childbirth.
Childbirth.
How is that any better than baby amputation?
What do you mean? Okay.
Like if a baby needs to have a leg amputated, they just take a little baby chainsaw.
I guess if
and they
there's
just cut
like
it
an
off.
aesthetic, but there was no anesthetic back in the day.
A swift punch to the cranium.
Oh my god.
Wait, how did they use it? Wait.
So, if babies got stuck or they were too big.
Okay, wait, stop. Never mind. I can use my brain for the rest. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Random trivia. Yeah, no anesthetic. Isn't that wild? Yeah, whale sharks have teeth on their eyeballs.
Teeth on my eyeballs? What?